Today, we're diving into some of the most impressive WOLFCRAFT tools every woodworking enthusiast needs to see. Whether you're crafting furniture, building outdoor projects, or fine-tuning details in your workshop, these tools are designed to bring precision, efficiency, and comfort to every cut, measurement, and assembly. From smart cutting guides to versatile hand tools, WOLFCRAFT has something to elevate every part of your woodworking process. Stick around until the end to see a compact multi-tool that's a true game-changer for any woodworker. WOLFCRAFT Angle and Tri-Square. The WOLFCRAFT Universal Angle and Tri-Square is a versatile tool combining multiple functions: a tri-square, miter square, protractor, and marking gauge. Made from durable materials like aluminum or stainless steel, it's designed for longevity and precision. With the ability to measure and mark angles from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, it's perfect for achieving clean cuts and accurate layouts. Its locking mechanism ensures consistent measurements, and with both metric and imperial units, it's suitable for various projects. Cutouts and scribing notches make marking and transferring dimensions a breeze. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a DIYer, this tool enhances efficiency and accuracy in your workshop. WOLFCRAFT Sanding Block. The WOLFCRAFT Sanding Block is a compact yet durable tool, measuring 67 by 97 by 25 millimeters. It's designed for both dry and wet sanding tasks across various materials. Constructed with tough silicon carbide abrasive, it handles heavy-duty sanding effortlessly. Its flexible design and high-quality diamond grit ensure smooth, even results, even on curved or uneven surfaces. Whether you're sanding wood, metal, or other materials, this sanding block offers a reliable and efficient way to achieve a polished finish. Its ergonomic size and flexibility make it a must-have for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. WOLFCRAFT Plasterboard Cutter. The WOLFCRAFT Plasterboard Cutter is engineered for quick and easy cutting of plasterboards. With a cutting length of up to 90 centimeters, it's ideal for large boards. Its sturdy build ensures smooth, straight cuts without the need for a traditional saw. The cutter comes with a rail for added stability and includes 2 types of blades: a trapezium blade for regular cuts and a hook blade for scoring and clean breaks. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this cutter provides fast results with minimal mess, making it perfect for both small home projects and larger renovations. WOLFCRAFT Furniture Dolly. Transporting heavy items becomes effortless with the WOLFCRAFT Furniture Dolly. Made from durable birch plywood with a multi-layered waterproof construction, it's built to withstand wear and tear. The dolly features 4x2 ball-bearing casters, allowing smooth movement of heavy loads. Its flexible load area can be adjusted to fit different item sizes. With an ergonomic grip bar, it can quickly convert into a flat trolley or panel cart, carrying up to 150 kilograms. Additional features include a stopper and 4 non-slip rests to keep items secure during transport. Proudly made in Europe, this dolly is a reliable solution for moving furniture and other heavy goods. WOLFCRAFT Hand Stapler. The WOLFCRAFT Hand Stapler is designed for effortless operation, making it perfect for various household tasks and hobbies. Compatible with Type 053 staples ranging from 4 to 14 millimeters, it offers flexibility for all your stapling needs. A standout feature is the hinged cartridge staple pusher, which simplifies loading and unloading staples, reducing downtime. The stapler also includes a handy staple slider for quick refills, allowing you to stay focused on the task at hand. Its compact, ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, and its sturdy build guarantees longevity. Whether stapling paper, fabric, or other materials, the WOLFCRAFT Hand Stapler delivers consistent results with minimal effort. WOLFCRAFT Angular Bevel Gauge. The WOLFCRAFT Angular Bevel Gauge is a practical tool that enhances the accuracy and efficiency of measuring and cutting angles. With its 2 plastic legs, it can measure wall angles from 30 degrees to 180 degrees, offering versatility for various projects. The gauge features an eccentric lever to securely lock the angle, even in tight spaces, making it ideal for cramped working areas. Its telescopic corner calipers provide precise measurements for outside corners, perfect for handling tricky angles. The 2 built-in magnets allow easy attachment to a saw blade, aiding in aligning angles on a miter saw for smoother cuts. Additionally, the automatic angle bisector ensures accurate miter cuts, reducing mistakes and speeding up the job. A foldable stop is also included for quickly marking angles on your workpiece. Whether you're a professional or a DIYer, the WOLFCRAFT Angular Bevel Gauge is designed to save time, reduce errors, and improve work quality. WOLFCRAFT Diamond Cutting Disc. This thing is a beast when it comes to cutting through tough materials like granite, tile, ceramic, and stoneware. At just 1.4 millimeters thick, the disc gives you fast, clean, and precise cuts with minimal effort. What makes it stand out? It's got a honeycomb cutting-edge design for enhanced performance and durability, and it operates at speeds up to 80 meters per second. The reinforced flange adds a layer of safety, and with a 10mm segment height, it's built for even the toughest cutting jobs. Whether you're a professional tiler or a DIY renovator, this cutting disc is a must-have. WOLFCRAFT Japanese Saw. Next up, the WOLFCRAFT Japanese Saw, a true all-rounder. It's great for baseboards, beams, plastic pipes, even branches. The double-edged blade lets you switch between fine cuts and fast rough cuts. It has 17 TPY on one side for precision and 8 TPI on the other for speed. The blade is flexible, thin, and detachable, so it's easy to store. Made with high-quality tool steel and featuring Japan-style precision toothing, this saw is lightweight, comfortable, and extremely sharp. Total win. WOLFCRAFT Wood Renovation Kit. Outdoor wood looking rough? The Wood Renovation Kit from WOLFCRAFT is your go-to solution. It's a 7-piece set that includes flap wheels, burnishing mops, corner sanders, and more. You can sand, polish, and finish all in one workflow. Thanks to the flexible abrasives, it's great on both flat surfaces and detailed contours. Changing sandpaper is super quick with the Easy Fix system, and the burnishing pad adapts to the shape of the wood for a smooth, pro-level finish. Perfect for decks, outdoor furniture, and fences. WOLFCRAFT T-Square Parallel Cutter. For precise cuts on gypsum or plasterboard, the T-Square Parallel Cutter is a game changer. It guides you through scoring, snapping, and slicing all in one workflow. With an adjustable angle range from 0 to 180 degrees and a built-in scale, your cuts are clean and accurate. It includes a sharp trapezium blade for fast, repeatable results. Durable anodized aluminum construction means it's built to last. If you're working with drywall, this tool will save you time and effort, guaranteed. WOLFCRAFT MG 600 Caulking Gun. This isn't your average caulking gun. The MG 600 delivers 280 kilograms of contact pressure, so it's perfect for thick adhesives, silicone, acrylic, and more. It's made from fiberglass reinforced plastic with a hardened push bar for durability. Ergonomic handle? Check. Easy cartridge changes? Also check. Compatible with all 310ml cartridges, it provides smooth, controlled material flow, whether you're sealing joints or bonding parts together. WOLFCRAFT Master 600 Workbench. The Master 600 is the ultimate compact workstation. You've got height adjustment, a folding base, and a tilting tabletop up to 65 degrees. Need a space for screws or nails? There's even a built-in magnet. Despite being lightweight, it can hold up to 120 kilograms. Whether you're clamping, drilling, or sawing, this bench adapts to your needs and folds away when you're done. Super practical. WOLFCRAFT Ball Rasp. Once your workpiece is clamped, it's time to shape. The ball rasp is perfect for quickly removing material and prepping recesses. It works great with cordless screwdrivers thanks to its hex shank, and it can hit up to 3,000 RPM. It's ideal for sculpting, shaping, and smoothing, especially on wood. WOLFCRAFT Screwdriver Set. Next is the Drawer Screwdriver Set, which includes 30 bits and a sturdy ergonomic handle. It covers all major screw types and is made with S2 steel for long-lasting durability. Everything fits neatly into a compact metal case, and there's an adapter for quick bit changes. Whether you're assembling furniture or fixing gadgets, this set has your back. WOLFCRAFT FIXOFLEX Sanding Pads. Now let's talk finishing. The FIXOFLEX sanding pads are all about smooth, groove-free results. The elastic 125mm backing pad comes with Velcro fastening and an 8mm shank, making it easy to switch out sanding discs. Whether you're dealing with flat surfaces, edges, or curves, these pads adapt beautifully for a professional finish. WOLFCRAFT TS850 Off-Road Hand Truck. If you're moving heavy stuff around the shop or site, the TS850 off-road hand truck is essential. It can carry up to 100 kilograms, has extra wide wheels for tough terrain, and even handles stairs like a pro. It folds up with a quick locking system and has a telescopic handle for easy storage. Whether it's garden supplies or construction gear, this hand truck makes hauling effortless. WOLFCRAFT BitBox PHILLIPS. When you're working on detailed fastening tasks, the BitBox PHILLIPS is the perfect tool to have at hand. It offers a wide range of 30 solid bits in various sizes, covering Phillips, Pozidriv, Torx, and more. The included magnetic bit holder and ergonomic hand screwdriver ensure a secure fit and comfortable handling. Made from durable S2 steel, these bits are built to last, making this set ideal for any DIY project around the house, be it furniture assembly, electronic repair, or general maintenance. Plus, the compact metal case keeps everything neat and organized, so you're always ready to go. Milling disc for angle grinder. For larger cutting tasks, the WOLFCRAFT milling disc for angle grinders is an essential addition. Once your materials are in place and secured with the right bits, this disc offers the cutting power you need. Designed to cut through reinforced concrete, granite, and natural stone, it's a robust, high-performance solution. Made in Germany, it delivers both safety and comfort, running at cutting speeds of up to 80 meters per second. The segmented edge ensures efficient material removal without sacrificing precision, making it perfect for renovation and construction projects. WOLFCRAFT Mobile Drilling Stand. Once you've done your heavy cutting, it's time for precise drilling. The WOLFCRAFT Mobile Drilling Stand provides accuracy and stability, allowing you to drill clean, straight holes with ease. Whether you're working overhead, at an angle, or on round surfaces, this stand holds your drill steady. With tiltable double guide bars and an adjustable depth stop, you can count on consistent results. The base plate includes a V-groove for securely holding pipes and tubes, while the integrated dust extraction port keeps your workspace clean. WOLFCRAFT Hand Hole Cutter. For cutting perfectly round holes, especially for electrical installations, the WOLFCRAFT handhole cutter is a smart and versatile solution. It's fully adjustable, allowing you to cut holes from 35 to 85 millimeters in diameter. The built-in scale helps you measure accurately every time, while the triple tooth blade ensures smooth, clean cuts. Compatible with all standard cordless drills and equipped with Allen keys for quick adjustments, this tool offers precision and flexibility in one compact device. WOLFCRAFT TC 710 Tile Cutter. Next up is the WOLFCRAFT TC 710 Tile Cutter, built for smooth and accurate tile cuts. Whether you're tiling a bathroom or a kitchen, this traditional style cutter offers both stability and precision. It can handle tiles up to 710 millimeters in length and 14 millimeters in thickness. The 20mm tungsten carbide cutting wheel ensures clean slicing, while the movable breaking wedge makes snapping tiles quick and easy. With a built-in angle fence and guide rail, it supports both straight and diagonal cuts with professional results. WOLFCRAFT FOLDABLE 13-in-1 tool. If you're someone who likes being ready for anything, the foldable 13-in-1 tool is a game changer. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for hiking, camping, or any small repair job at home. It includes pliers, a wire cutter, knife blade, screwdrivers, and more. Each tool locks securely in place and folds neatly into the handle. It also comes with a nylon sheath and belt clip, so it's always within reach. WOLFCRAFT Bevel and Miter Box. When it comes to precision woodworking and home improvement, accurate angle measurement is key. That's where the WOLFCRAFT Bevel and Miter Box shines. This dual-function tool lets you measure angles from 85 degrees to 180 degrees and transfer them directly to your saw. It's especially handy in older homes where walls might not meet at perfect right angles. With integrated guide pins and intuitive design, it helps you achieve flawless, error-free cuts every time, saving time and materials on tricky projects. Which one would you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more woodworking tips, tool reviews, and project ideas. See you in the next video.